Making a comeback in life often requires a combination of mental resilience, determination, and a strategic approach. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, can provide valuable insights and practices to help you navigate challenges and make a powerful comeback. Here's a guide on how to incorporate Stoic principles into your life for a great comeback. Acceptance of the present moment. Stoic principle. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. Application. Acknowledge your current situation without dwelling on past mistakes or external factors beyond your control. Use your energy to take positive actions instead. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Stoic principle. Practice self-awareness and mindfulness to understand your thoughts and emotions. Application. Regularly reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Identify any negative patterns or reactions, and consciously work on changing them to maintain a positive mindset. Resilience in the face of adversity. Stoic principle. Develop mental toughness by viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Application. Embrace setbacks as chances to learn and improve. Cultivate resilience by reframing difficulties as challenges that will make you stronger in the long run. Focus on virtue and character. Stoic principle. Prioritize virtue and character over external circumstances. Application. Define your core values and focus on building your character. Make decisions based on what aligns with your principles, rather than seeking immediate rewards. Practice gratitude. Stoic principle. Be grateful for what you have, regardless of your current situation. Application. Regularly reflect on the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small. Gratitude can shift your perspective and help you approach challenges with a more positive mindset. Adopt an internal locus of control. Stoic principle. Recognize that you have control over your own thoughts and actions. Application. Take responsibility for your life and choices. Instead of blaming external factors, focus on what you can do to improve your situation. Set realistic goals. Stoic principle. Set goals that are within your control and aligned with your values. Application. Define clear, achievable goals that are not dependent on external validation. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate each small victory. Continual learning and improvement. Stoic principle. Embrace a mindset of continual improvement. Application. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Seek knowledge and skills that can help you overcome challenges and enhance your capabilities. Connect with a support system. Stoic principle. Cultivate relationships with like-minded individuals who support your journey. Application. Surround yourself with people who share your values and provide encouragement. Seek guidance and support when needed, and reciprocate by offering support to others. Maintain inner tranquility. Stoic principle. Develop inner tranquility by focusing on your own thoughts and actions. Application. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or other calming techniques to maintain a sense of inner peace. This can help you navigate challenges with a clear and focused mind. Remember, making a comeback is a process that requires time, effort, and consistency. By incorporating Stoic principles into your life, you can build the mental strength needed to overcome obstacles and create a positive trajectory for your future.